Hey, and I would like film me something, and I thought I'd film this, the one right here, and then I'll tell you about the lights. Yeah, and I believe it's on medium. And 2 lights burned out, 1 light is good, 1 light's loosened. This one, and right here. The other light, right here, and then the lights, the bulbs right here that burned out. And this one light is good, and it's kind of wobbly, but you see, I'll put it on high. It makes a ringy sound on when it's speed out. It makes like a cricket sound on it when you can see it wobble. And I'll turn the light on. I think all the bulbs burned out when I was not looking, but I'll turn it on for you. See? And this light right here, because this one's good. But I would like to move the stool for you. Whoa, almost fell. See, this light, it's wobbling, so it's loose. And the other light, the 2 of these bulbs have burned out. The other light just worked again, then it kept working. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all I have to say. Bye.